Hi guys! So, may na-receive kami na mail. Ayan. Binigay ito ni Mami sa akin kagabi nung aking mother-in-law. And she is so excited for this actually. Not just my mother-in-law but the entire Showalter family. So, I'm gonna open this. Let's see what's inside this envelope. Okay? So, sana ito na yung aming pinakahihintay ng matagal na panahon. Almost, more than 1 year naming hinintay. Kasi ang alam ko, nag-file yung husband ko ng adjustment of status and for my green card is after the wedding, which is November 4. Yup, November 4. So, I hope ito na yung aking pinakahihintay. So, let's open this. Ayan. Ha? I'm so excited. Sana ito na yun ha. Sana ito na yung pinakahihintay namin. Kasi tagal talaga namin hinintay to. Yeah, there. USCIS. Tadaan! So, ayan. Welcome to the United States. Andito na ako sa US actually. Andito na ako sa US. And, of course, there. Yan na yung green card ko. Oh my gosh. Yay! I'm so happy. Yep, this is it. This is it. This is really is it? Ayan na po yung aking green card. So, iwas offload. Yay! Finally, nakuha din namin siya. So, sa mga nag-aantay din po dyan ng kanilang mga green card, so, antay-antay lang po. Dadating din yan. Makukuha din ninyo yung inyong mga green card tulad namin na mahigit 1 taon kaming nagantay. And then, finally, eto na siya. May green card na ako. Yay! Thank you, Lord. It's an early Christmas gift and birthday gift, actually. So, I'm so happy. Tcharam! Bye-bye. Thank you, guys! Sa mga K1 visa po dyan, spousal visa, pray lang po kayo at magagrant din yung inyong mga prayers. So, pray and pray until mag-grant yung ating mga inaasam. Ayan. So, tulad ko, walang katapusang pag-pray. So, and finally, ito na yung bunga ng aming mga prayers. Not just me, but my husband, my family, my in-laws. So, this is it. This is really is it. Okay?